We make water-repellent, abrasion-resistant, 100% breathable, fully lined stretch denim for action sports. It's high-tech on the inside and low-tech on the outside.
Hi, my name is Jason Mason. I'm the owner and creator of Mason Industries, and this is my Kickstarter project. I look forward to your support, and I'm excited about the future of Mason Industries. Together, we make the future.